how to fix cache app, please try again later. So in this video I will show you how to fix that issue. Now just follow a few easy steps. Now let's get started. Now first of all, check your internet connection. So first make sure you have a stable internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, try turning it off and on. If you are using mobile data, check if you have enough signal. After that, close and reopen the cache app. So close the cache app, and you can do this by swiping it away from the recent apps on your phone. So once it's closed, open cache app again to see if the problem is fixed. After that, update the app. So if it still doesn't work, go to your phone's app store, Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Check if there is an updated available or cache app. If there is, now update the app and try again. And after that, clear the cache for Android users. So if you have an Android phone, go to your phone settings, look for the apps or app manager, then find the cache app, tap on it and click on storage. From there, tap on clear cache. Now after that, restart your phone. Sometimes restarting your phone can help fix the problem. Hold down the power button, then select restart. So after your phone restarts, open the cache app again. So this is how to fix cache app. Please try again later. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.